As the primary means of mass communication for over 500 years, letterpress printing is considered to be one of the most significant inventions of human history. Letterpress printing was invented in the middle of the 15th century when Johann Gutenberg introduced the idea of modern movable type. Inventor and goldsmith, Gutenberg developed the method of letterpress printing by creating the modern movable type from individually cast, reusable letters arranged in a frame. By mounting his movable type on a converted wine press, Gutenberg revolutionized the world with his process of printing known as letterpress. Letterpress printing enabled the mass production of books which previously were handwritten by scribes and available only to the wealthy. As a direct result of the letterpress printing method, books were available to the masses and education followed. Gutenberg's letterpress is a form of relief printing in which the raised surface of a printing block, known as a sort or type, is inked and pressed into the paper, producing the print. Prior to Gutenberg, relief printing was done with hand-carved wooden blocks, but was not practical for mass production. Movable type was not only more durable and uniform than wooden blocks, but also much quicker to work with. Letterpress printing quickly replaced traditional printing and for the most part remained unchanged until the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution led to great improvements in efficiency and by the early 19th century had become highly mechanized. The replacement of the hand-operated Gutenberg-style press by steam powder presses marked the dawn of a new era for letterpress printing. One major change was the implementation of ink rollers. Inking was now carried out by rollers which passed over the typeface and was dipped in ink to repeat the process for the next print. Another improvement was the way paper was pressed. Paper was now placed on the platen and quickly pressed into the type, pulled back, and replaced with a new sheet. By the late 1930s or early 1940s, printing presses has increased substantially in efficiency and incorporated a pneumatic feed and delivery of the sheet. The newer steam presses were capable of performing 2,500 to 3,000 impressions an hour. However, by the 1960s, newer technologies in commercial printing replaced many of the jobs previously printed on letterpresses. Just as letterpress printing replaced wood blocks, the new technology, known as offset printing, was both faster and cheaper than letterpress, ushering in its demise. From its beginning, printing was practiced also as a true art form, setting a high aesthetic and artistic standard. Today, letterpress printing has undergone a revival. I spoke with the owner of Print Temps Custom Stationaries to discuss the comeback of letterpress printing.
It's very beautiful. It's a real piece of artwork, and regular printing can be done more quickly, but does not have the same beautiful feeling. It's mainly used for invitations. Wedding invitations, general social invitations, not commercially very much because it is a whole lot more expensive. We also do some letterpress business cards and birth announcements, anything that needs to present very specially.
Signing off for demtech.org, I'm Ryan McCarthy.